a lot of times we're not actually interested in the variables that we have, but we want to do something with them. For example, calculate an average. And in psychology and other social sciences, that's a typical example. We have various items that together averaged up represent a score on a scale. And here's an example how to do that. We have the variable 1, confidence, and variable 2, confidence T2, so this is before and after, and now we're interested in the overall average confidence. So we can go into transform, compute variable, and then we need to say, okay, what's the target variable? For example, confidence average T1 and T2, and then what do we want to do, right? You could either say, you know what, do self-confidence 1 plus self-confidence 2 divided by 2, and then we would put this into parentheses as well. So that's an option. Or we can use a function you might be familiar with from Excel. There's a lot of different functions here. So we'd go into the mean. Let's see here. The mean function, and you got to use this little arrow, click up, and you see it asks us which variables do you want the mean from. Confidence 1 and confidence 2. If you wanted to add more, you would add a comma, and then we could add reaction time, for example. This is not really meaningful here, but that's how you would add more than 2 variables. And actually here you can also add the type, so the label would be confidence average, and we can also say it's a numeric variable. Okay, continue, and now we can paste this. You could hit OK, it would just compute it right away, but if you paste it, you actually get to see it here in the syntax, and it says confidence average, mean, confidence 1, T1, confidence T2, and then we have the variable label, confidence average. So let's run this. We hit the play button, it ran, and we'll go back, and we see here it added it up. It averaged it. What's always good is to double check. So here we can see 4 plus 3 is 7, divided by 2 is 3.5, so everything seems to be okay with our math.